friends, I am back again with another outfit video. This is actually one of my favorite shirts. I got it at a Guess factory outlet store. The armpits are kind of wearing off. The spots are actually kind of this velvety material, so they wore away a little bit in the armpits. These are a pair of pants from Hell Bunny. They're wide leg trousers. I feel like the older I'm getting, I'm being more accepting of wide leg pants. I used to be a skinny jeans girl all the way, but I don't know, something about wide legs are kind of flattering, kind of classy. This is just a harness. I think this one is by Casual Bleak and Sleek. Everything I'm wearing, I will credit in the description below and make sure I'm crediting everything correctly. But I just like adding a little harness to, I don't know, any outfit. It kind of just adds a little bit of edge to it. I think especially like pants like this that look a little strange with an actual belt over them because of the buckles, a harness still gives them that finished look without covering the buttons with a belt. Got a couple snaky rings. I'm really into snakes. I had a friend that hassled me because I don't actually like real snakes, but I like, I don't know, snake jewelry. These are, what earrings did I put in? I don't even remember. Probably snakes. Yep, these are my little snakes. I think I got these on an Etsy shop. The eyes of the snakes are actually little green jewels, which I wish that I had have not gotten those, but I think they're so small you can't even really tell. I just really like the shape of these earrings. They are actually really heavy though, so no head banging in my sneaky snakes. Apparently I was having a hard time getting this one in. You can see just by how they dangle, they're heavy. These are my Pride and Joy. These are my Gucci gold loafers. Hello. Not the most comfortable. I find that expensive shoes, they're not expensive because they're comfortable. They're usually expensive because of the name that's on them. But these shoes, I just love them so much. It was actually kind of a shame to cover them with these pants, but I don't know. The gold just kind of felt right with this outfit. So here we are. I guess you could consider this a corporate goth look. Perhaps wear a tank top underneath instead of a bra, but yeah, this would be a good work look, I think. If you guys want to see more of my outfit videos, please let me know. I do put short versions of these in my stories as well, but I think sometimes it's nice to kind of hear the reasoning and the thoughts behind the outfits that I wear. I think it's interesting. Let me know if you do, and otherwise, I will see you guys next time.